How to fix Gcash app not working problem, access temporary blockade problem. How you can fix this problem? When you open Gcash app, it will be not open. Then how you can fix this problem? In this video, I will tell you. If you also facing this same problem, tell me in the comment box, write the yes, and you can like this video and subscribe my channel. So how you can fix this problem? So let's start the video. First friend, if you're having this problem in your Gcash app is not opening or not working. So first what you want to do, okay? So friends, first you have to just open your mobile settings. Now after opening the mobile settings, first you have to just need to update your mobile, okay? You have to just check your mobile update. So friends, you have to just find the system updates option in your phone, and you have to just open it, and now you can find the software update options. You can click on the software update and check any update showing or not. If any update showing, then you have to just do your smartphone update, okay? So after update doing your mobile, so you have to just go to the back, and now you have to just here what to do here friends, I will tell you. So now friends, you have to just open the here settings options once again. After opening the settings, now you have to just find the apps options. Click on the apps options and apps management options. Now you have to just find here Gcash. So after find the Gcash app, now you have to just click on the Gcash app. So now you have to just click on the storage use options. Click on the storage use options. Now you can find the clear cache options. You have to just first clear cache, and second option the clear data options. Sometimes some phones have the downside options, these ones. So you have to just do this, and now you have to just click on the Play Store app, and you have to just search the Gcash app, and now you have to just install the Gcash app. So after uninstall the Gcash app, you have to just here go to the back, and you have to restart your device, okay? So you have to just restart your device, okay? So after restart your device, I will tell you next step what you do, okay? So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel, and don't skip the video is not, and you have to just wait it here, okay? So after restart your phone, your smartphone will be turn oning. So what to do the next step? So the next step is you have to just tell me in the comment box friends, which phone are you using right now? Samsung, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, Poco, Realme, Narzo, any phone are you using? Tell me in the comment box, okay? So the next step is you have to just install the Gcash app from Play Store, okay? So here, and the next step is open the Play Store app and search here Gcash app, okay? Search the Gcash app and open it. And I hope you have to just turn off the developer options. If in your mobile setting there is developer options is turned on, then you have to just turn off the developer options, okay? Just this thing remember. So after reinstall the Gcash app, now you can easily open, and it will be work in any phone, okay? So here I will waiting for this open. So my app is now installed. I will open, and I will tell you, and I will show you. So now you can see it will be open. Yes, you have to just click on the accept option, and you have to just give the all permissions. And after giving the all permissions, you can see my Gcash is open, and just I want to give my mobile number, and I have to just click on the next button, and it will be work. Thank for watching the video. Upcoming updates YouTube channel.